Need more chicken. Need more chicken. More chicken. Never took a left. Oh, that cart with a jack of wheels.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Okay. Tool sales and service.
Something smells as old lady. It makes snow, like fake snow. You add water to it. I'm gonna look it up though.
Need more chicken. Need more chicken. Shimano. Damn. Empty. Oh boy.
I never go to these ones, so I'm gonna look. Someone gave them on Christmas. Look over here. Play-Doh molds to make like little cereals and things. I love that you're my teacher. She really must not have loved it that much. It's teacher's donations over here. Pumpkin. Christmas decorations. Amusement land. Kitty ride game. So it's like Candyland, but it's amusement land. It looks really frightening. That clown is scaring me. Sink. A little sink. I like want this for myself. I feel like you could actually use this, like if you went camping. Maybe not now. Okay.
Oh, the alarm clock. I wonder if it works. It's digital, but might actually work.
Ready to plug in.
Nope. Doesn't work.
Bolt? I know this is Bali. It's weird. Batik, Indonesian shirt. I don't know. Maybe? I'm gonna abandon my cart over there and just do a quick dig. Order an ash. I don't know what that is. It's like a nice looking sweater, but got stains all over it. Gap, size medium. It looks comfy, but again, stains. A lot of stains. It's a dress. This is kind of cute. For summer. Oh, it's like pants. It's like a, isn't this what they call a romper? Yeah, someone will definitely buy this. Spring's coming up. So I'm gonna get that.
Kittens. Oh. My God. That's a toaster oven right there. It's got some serious problems with it. Yikes. Bad. No. Empty.
I'm going to draw pets. I got so many hangers. Oh my God, is it the rare black diamond? No. What about this one? No. Oh, it's a drum pad. Too bad it's on a keyboard.
Scandalous. Chain burglar alarm. Missing the chain. That's funny. If it had the chain, I'd probably buy this. It's funny.
Nothing in there. Oh my. Somebody, like, I think a bag of flour exploded in there. Yikes. Oh, these are nice. Beverage cups for the winter. Too bad they're not in the package. Those are cute. Another wig. Okay. Somebody gave up all their wigs. Shimano shoes. They make fishing stuff. They make shoes. They make bikes. Clothing.
Recipes. It's heavy though. Eagle video. Someone didn't return the movie.
Look what I got. Toilet paint. Toilet paint. Looks gross. Do a little sanitizing. A little hand sandy. Oh, there's another one. See it right there? There's another one. This hand sanitizer is so slimy.
Oh, there. Chad. Put you down. Capris. Oh, 34, 32. That sucks. Jorts, Levi jorts, crust on them. 29s. They're tiny. The emptiest bin I've ever seen. It's very sad. Mysterious signals. Riverbed. Oh dear. What have they done to her? It's yoga baby. fuzzy curler. Is that even a thing? I didn't know they made fuzzy curlers. Probably because I don't curl my hair. Tell secrets to high self-esteem. I'm looking, it's all there. I wonder if this is worth anything. We're gonna find. I have to find out. There's a bunch for sale and no sold comps. Nobody wants self-esteem, I guess. Oh dear. What are the chances this works?
Why?
It's a beer tap. You know how expensive these things are? You know, that's what I was saying. I wonder what the chances are that this thing works.
It doesn't look that gross. It kind of smells a little though.
Well, it would. These things are expensive. They're like $400.
I wonder if Magic Eraser would take that off. What is it called? Beer?
Default beer tender.
Yeah, they're like $600.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like crux.
Should we get it?
How much is it weigh? Or will they charge you only $5 for it?
Yeah, probably. I mean, the tap
It's
seems...
missing the handle.
It's just a tap handle. You put any tap handle you want there.
I don't know.
Doesn't seem like it works. I think that's supposed to spring forward. I'm gonna look this up. What is this?
That's to make curl your hair like double curl.
That's serious.
Yeah.
Put it back. It's very scary. These are capris. Grab them, I guess.
They're in good shape. I mean, it is springtime. I feel like I usually don't do these, but okay. I usually don't buy capris, but these ones are in really good shape.
Oh. American Ease.
Pregnancy jeans.
$36.30.
Okay.
Well, they look like they're in pretty good shape. What do we got here? Got some Levi's. Huh. I know why somebody put these back, because they removed all this. But who cares? Yes.
Yeah, who does care?
Wow, these are super old. 16 mediums.
What is?
They're Lee's. They're old 80s Lee's. M&R. They're made in the USA.
Are they elastic?
Yeah, they're the old.
Long jeans?
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Limited. Oh dear. Oh dear. I got attacked by a cat jeans. Small American Eagle jeans. Are these women's? Size 2. Harry Potter jeans. What? I'm buying these. They're kids. Some kid that likes Harry Potter. They're in good shape. Look, they say Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Green jorts. What are they? Zandy? Never heard of that brand. Green jorts.
It might actually be a thing.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.